Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Gift Joy Crate. I don't know if you guys remember, but I have unboxed this before. This is a seasonal subscription, so it's quarterly. Hold on, let me tell you. All right, it's a box of inspirational artisan items. Okay, so you're gonna get things like home decor, handmade things from different Etsy vendors. It's a beautiful mix. You get 6 to 8 items in each box. They do have, okay, so for the month or the quarter to quarter box, it's $65 plus shipping. They do alternately have a one-time box though, for $60 if you just want to gift it to somebody. If you do prepay, I think it goes down to, I don't remember. Anyway, this came in an outer box, and then I opened it up, and I'll tell you the truth. I remembered when I got this box before, it was beautifully inside another box, and I didn't realize it. I just took the one box, you know. But look at it, it came with these ribbons on it. It's just so pretty. So dang on pretty. Look at it, it was so beautiful. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you. It's very aesthetically pleasing. So it says on the box, Give Joy Crate, inspiration for life, joy for home. I don't know the theme for this. This is their summer box. There it is. I think it's their summer. We're going to find out, right? Okay. Storm. Oh, these are earrings. Ooh, they're really pretty. So it says, Storm, let us press on to know the Lord. His going out is short as the dawn. He will come to us as the showers, as the spring rains that water the earth. I'm guessing this is the spring box then, but look at these earrings. So this is from Dear Mushka. These are 14 gold fill, sterling silver brass, copper dipped over brass. And I'll link to each of these vendors in my full review on the blog, which I'll link to below. I'll also link to Give Joy Crate so you can check them out. But look at those earrings, how gorgeous. They kind of have like a spooning effect, like that curve. The tone is different than anything I've ever seen though. They're not glossy for gold. It's like a very almost matte gold, which I find very like Mediterranean, and I really like. I think that's cool. All right, so then we've got Give Joy Crate. This is the spring 2018. This is our card, spring makers and vendors. And then it tells you who they're working, they give back in each of their boxes. So they're working with Ascend Autism Spectrum Center. And then we're not going to peek at these, but that's all the items listed. Okay. Thanks for your purchase. May your walls know joy. May every room hold laughter and every window open to great possibility. And then, if you haven't noticed, this is a religious sort of themed, but it's much more than that. But the heart of this box, it has, you know, a lot of religious tones to it. It's very beautiful. The joy of the Lord is my strength, and it just has many different like quotes in that vein. All right. And here we have a print. It says, Bloom. Consider how the wildflowers grow. They do not labor or spin. Yet I tell you, not even Solomon in all his splendor was dressed like one of those. Isn't that cool? I think that's so pretty. The colors are gorgeous. So that's obviously something you could hang on your wall. Live life in full bloom. This is a greeting card. Look at how pretty. I love it. So it doesn't say who this is from. We'll look on the card before we end the video. All right. Then there's a book. Ooh, this looks like a great coffee table book. 100 Days to Brave. Devotions for Unlocking Your Most Courageous Self. So here is our, look at the cover. You were always meant to be brave. Ooh. So inside it's like a devotional. Where can your calling take you? So it's just different passages from the Bible used to help you through times of distress or times where you need a little bit of confidence or things like that. I think this is a great book to just keep on your bedside table, on your coffee table, and just read it a little bit at a time. Now, you guys are probably like, hey, you're not religious. I am not religious so much as I am spiritual, and I do find that you can take I take things from every, you know, when you hear something good, it's still good. Whether it's like you don't have to, I do not feel like you have to, and like, look, I have that cross on my wall because that was made for me for my wedding, my husband and I, for my wedding. I am not like a a church-going person, but I do find that anything spiritual, no matter the religion, I believe in tolerance, but no matter the religion, you can find good information and things that will help you if you need strength, or just like this says courage or positivity, or just feelings like you're connected to something bigger. I respect that, and I think that's really cool. So I will absolutely read this. All right. Next we have mini happy notes. Get one and gift one. Oh, this is something they do in this box. So the last box I did was thankful. It was not this past fall, but the fall prior. So this is an established box. So just so you guys know, you're not risking anything here. This is from Natural Life. So they give you a thing that you keep for yourself, and then you pass one along to a friend or a family member, whoever you think might be able to use it. So these are little notes. Kind people are my kind of people. I don't know what the different ones say. I kind of can't wait to see, actually. So I love these. You know, I actually saw a movement or some sort of an ideal, some sort of a movement, I guess that's the word, where people were actually taking cards like this, like positive, happy statements, and putting them places in public for people to find. And I think that that's really cool too, because it's just like, if you found one, you'd be like, that's kind of cool, right? All right. Next we have, what is this? Ooh, you are inscribed on the palm of his hand. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so it doesn't say who made this. It's like a mason jar. So here's our little jar. Oh, is this not gorgeous? Look at it. I love it. Isn't it beautiful? You could put fresh flowers in this. You could put a candle. I will not put a candle in this. I might just leave this just as it is. Possibly put fresh flowers once in a while, but isn't it pretty? It's so antique-like. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, that might be it. Hold on. Nope, there's one more item. Oh no, there's two more items. So here we have, when your heart speaks, take good notes. This is a little, like a makeup or a pencil case. Recycled zip pouches. This is made from 80% recycled plastic bottles. It almost has like an oilcloth feeling. Look at it, it's so cute. And then finally, oh my gosh, be always blooming. This matches my living room decor. So this is from Primitives by Cathy, which every time I get something from her, I'm like, she is from a city that is not far from where I'm from. Actually, if you follow my Instagram, you know the city that I live in. I'm always like posting stories around like the area and not too close to home. You know what I mean? But like in my local area, that's my Instagram stories, is all like my adventures, because I go on some crazy adventures. She's in a town not far from me. It's Lancaster County. And she makes these really cool, like, primitive country home decor. This is really cool. If you guys have seen my living room, I know somebody one time was like, why don't you film in your living room? Because there are children in my living room always. The TV's on. It is a home, you know, a functioning home. But I have like a golden and then a silver, and like, it's very modern, but the gold will work, I think, on my mantle maybe, or on my like little bookshelf area. I don't know yet, but it's gorgeous. So anyway, let's go over the little card before we end the video. Where did I put it? Okay, this is a fantastic box, by the way. All right, so the full bloom greeting card is from the Slow Crow. Primitives by Cathy is the sign. The Storm earrings were by Dear Mushka. We talked about that. And then I'll try to do a price breakdown the best I can. Sometimes you can't find stuff like this. The mini happy notes are from Natural Life. Natural Life also made the recycled zipper pouch. HarperCollins made the book. And then the votive vase, which is the one I was most interested in, is from the Blossom Bucket. So that is for flowers. That's everything that I received in my Give Joy crate. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I think it's an amazing box. If you're interested, I'll link to them. I'll also link to my full review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.